Hi everybody, in this video I want to show how to make box plots in both Minitab and Minitab Express. So the data I'm going to use is this Rate My Professor data, and again a box plot is a graph of numeric data. So we only have three numeric variables here, number of ratings, overall, and easiness. So I'm going to use easiness and make a simple box plot of that. So under graph, we just go down to box plot, and we select that we want a simple graph. And easiness, we'll put that in there. And you just click OK, and it makes the graph for you. And there it is. Okay, now what if I wanted to make a graph by, say, one of the other categorical variables, say by college? I could do that easily. It's under stat, again, graphs, under graph, box plot, with groups. Yeah, you select with groups. The first place, you put the first box, you put the easiness rating, and then the second box is say by college, and you click OK, and you get two boxes side by side. You can also make a comparing box plots of two columns of numeric data by using the multiple Y's option. So under graph, box plot, go multiple Y's, simple graph. And now I'm going to pick both easiness and overall, and it'll make a box plot of both. Okay, which again are the boxes of the quartiles. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is go to Minitab Express and show how to do the same thing. So let's start with the with the easiness rating, the simple box plot. So again, box plot is under the graphs tab. Just go to box plot, simple, very similar. I'm going to pick easiness rating here, and let's see, there's the box plot. And then if I want to make with groups, I just go to the with groups box. I say, okay, my Y variable is, my data variable is easiness. My categorical variable is, I can pick any of these. Let's pick hot this time, just be different. And when we make that graph, you see, okay, there it is. And you can look at the two graphs to make comparisons. And then finally, if you go to box plot, multiple Y's, same idea. You just pick, again, easiness and overall, we'll put them together, and the box plot comes out like that. So that's how you make box plots in Minitab and Minitab Express.